I am studying in 9th standard. My school name is Sri Shiva Vidya Kendra. My class teacher is Jaisita sir. Subject teacher is Pradima ma'am. My topic is our presidents. Article 50 to 78 in the part of 5th Constitution has been created the post of president. President is the constitutional head and he is the first citizen of our country. Article 52 to 70. Article 52 to 78 in the part of 5th Constitution has created the post of president. President is the constitutional head and he is the first citizen of our country. Election of the president. The president is not elected directly by the people. The president elected by both the houses of the parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members are elected the president. The Article 54 and 55 Constitution stipulate where the president should be elected. Article 54 to 55 stipulate where the president should be elected. Qualifications for the election as president. First qualification, he should be a citizen of India. Second one, he should be completed the age of 35 years. 35 years. Next, he should not hold any office of the profit under the government, like he is working in railway department or post office. He should, they are not to be president. He should be qualified for the election as a member of Lok Sabha. There are 14 presidents. First president is Rajendra Prasad. He became president in 1950 to 1962. First president Rajendra Prasad. He became president in 1950 to 1962. Second president is our Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He is the second president. He became president in 1962 to Zakir Hussain. He became president in 1967 to 1969. Our fourth president is Dr. V.V. Giri. Fourth president, Dr. V.V. Giri. He became president in 1969 to 1974. Our fifth president is Sir Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. He became president in 1974 to 1977. Our sixth president is Sir Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. He became president in 1977 to 1984. Our seventh president is Sir Gajni Jail Singh. He became president in 1984 to 1987. Our eighth president is Sir Venkata Raman. He became president in 1987 to 1992. Our ninth president is Sir Shankar Dayal Sharma. He became president in 1992. Sir K.R. Narayan. He became president in 1997 to 2002. Our 11th president is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He became president in 2002 to 2007. Our 12th president is Dr. Srimati Pratibha Patil. She became president in 2007 to 2012. Our 13th president is Pranab Mukherjee. He became president in 2012 to 2017. Next, our 14th president is Ramnath Kovind. He is our 2017. He is our president in our country. Next, power of president. There are 7 powers to the president. First one, executive power. Second one, legislature power. Third one, judicial power. Fourth one, financial power. Fifth one, military power. Sixth one, emergency power. Seventh one, diplomatic powers. First one, executive powers. All the administration is carried out in the name of the president. President elected the prime minister and high posts like chief minister or high court judge or union public service commission is the recommends and appoints. This is first power, executive power. Second power, legislature power. The president must be the House, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members of the parliament and propose them, and the president came to meeting and of criminals and can be approached the Supreme Court for the suggestion with the reference to the legal matters of our country. Fourth one, military power. The president is the commander-in-chief of army force. The appoints the chief minister of army force, navy force and air force. He also declared wars and the peace and recommendation of the parliament. Fifth one, financial power. A finance bill cannot be introduced is in the Lok Sabha without the president permission. Sixth one, emergency power. This is explained from the article 352 to 360 under 18th part of the constitution. There are three emergency power. First one, national emergency. Second one, state emergency. Third one, financial emergency. National emergency article is 352. Second one, state emergency article is 356. Third one, financial article is 360. Seventh one, diplomatic power. The president can be exercise certain powers without waiting for the approval of the Union Cabinet. He may dissolve the Lok Sabha. Thank you all.